Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the 200 EMA on TradingView. First, open your TradingView platform and select the chart you wish to analyze. Next, locate and click the Indicators button, usually found at the top of your screen. A search window will appear. Type Moving Average Exponential into the search bar to find the correct indicator. Once you've added the Exponential Moving Average to your chart, you'll need to adjust its settings. Click the small gear icon that appears next to the indicator's name on your chart. In the Settings window, find the length input and change its value to 200. You can also customize the line's color and thickness to make it stand out clearly. The 200 EMA is a powerful tool for understanding the overall market trend. When the price of an asset consistently stays above the 200 EMA, it generally signals a strong long-term uptrend. Conversely, if the price remains below the 200 EMA, it often indicates a prevailing downtrend. This helps traders gauge the market's sentiment. The 200 EMA can serve as dynamic support or resistance levels, where price often reacts. For more robust trading decisions, consider combining it with other technical indicators, like the Relative Strength Index or MACD. Always remember to practice your strategies on a demo account first to gain confidence before applying them to live trading.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.